The central government has declared Popular Front of India and its associate and affiliates as an unlawful association with immediate effect for a period of 5 years. At United Nations General Assembly session, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, economic and foreign policy have been winning praise from several developing and developed nations. Defense Research and Development Organization has conducted 2 successful test flights of very short-range air defense system missiles. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman today named the Chandigarh International Airport as Shahid Bhagat Singh International Airport on the occasion of 115th birth anniversary of Shahid-e-Azam Bhagat Singh. The National celebrates 6th anniversary of surgical strike today. On this day in 2016, the Indian Army launched surgical strikes against terrorist camps situated in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir.